Hello everyone, this is Bianne. Today I'm here with my Instax Mini 12 in Blossom Pink, so let's start by inserting the batteries.
Or we'll go downtown with our best moves we can boogie. Oh, my.
For this camera, I'm using two AA alkaline batteries. And I personally prefer Energizer Max for reliable performance.
Like us. Na, 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs with our best moves, we get groovy.
To turn on the camera, twist the lens to the right. If you want to use the close-up mode, just twist it a little further. To turn it off, twist the lens back to its original position. On the back of the camera, you'll see the film counter. Right now, I have just one film left. Now, let's do a quick comparison between the Instax Mini 8 and Instax Mini 12. The Instax Mini 12 comes with a built-in selfie mirror and you can easily turn it on or off by twisting the lens. While for the Instax Mini 8, you need to press a button to turn it on. It also has a brightness adjustment dial and high key mode. And to turn it off, you simply push the lens back in. Both cameras come in pink, but in different shades. This Instax Mini 8 is a Minnie Mouse limited edition in pastel pink, while the Instax Mini 12 is in Blossom Pink, which is a lavender pink hue. Now, let's turn on the Instax Mini 12 and take a sample shot with our last film. Although the camera has a selfie mirror, here's a fun hack. You can hold the viewfinder in front of your iPad or phone camera to see yourself before snapping the photo. After you take a shot, the photo will print instantly. No need to shake the film, just place it down and it will develop in a few seconds. Once you use all the films, you'll notice that it has different sound when you take a shot. You will also see the zero on the film counter. Now, let's turn it off and load a new film pack. I usually buy the 20 sheets which cost 680 pesos if it is available because you can save more than buying the 10 sheets which cost 360 pesos. You might find some promos online for an even better deal, so keep an eye out. Before loading the film, make sure your camera is turned off to prevent any accidental shots while you're loading the film. Prepare your new film pack and then open the compartment and remove the empty film cartridge. Make sure to line up the yellow mark on the film with the yellow mark inside the camera. This is super important so the film loads correctly. Close the back and you'll see the start sign or letter S on the film counter. Now, when you turn the camera on and take your first shot, the black protective cover will eject automatically. There is also a note that this is not a film. After that, the counter will display the number of films. You may also use the empty cartridge for photo storage, and I'll show you how later in this video. I'm currently using an acrylic case with photo storage for my Instax camera. I've tried the leather case before, but over time it starts to chip. The package comes with a free camera strap, but you can easily swap it out for a lanyard if you prefer something more convenient when traveling. To attach the lanyard, you may look for the small loops on the sides of the camera. Take the small loop of the lanyard and carefully insert it through the camera loop. Once the loop is through, pull the other end of the lanyard through the camera loop. Pull it all the way through until it's tight and secure. Ensure the lanyard is securely fastened before you start using it to carry your camera. Now, your lanyard is securely attached. You can style your photo with the film keychain set. Just insert the photo into the film sleeve and then attach the keychain. In labeling my Instax photo, I use a marker or a dymo. You can also choose different fonts and different tape colors that you can use. Now, let's use the dymo. First, take off the white tile from the top of the label maker. Then, insert your desired label roll. Then put back the white dial. Insert the tape from the right side of the label maker. Press firmly on the left side to print each letter. And for spaces, you may press softly. Once done, you may roll to the scissor sign to cut it, then pull. If there's any excess, you can trim it to fit nicely on your photo. Then, stick the label tape to the photo. For temporary photo storage, I also use these film cassettes. So when traveling, I put the photos temporarily in this case to keep it in place. Another fun hack is to use the empty film cartridges. You can insert up to 10 photos from the bottom of the cartridge. You can also put one photo to each empty film cartridge and display it to your wall. For photo albums, I use this photo album which comes in various colors. It also has a pocket in front where you can put a photo, adding a personal touch. This album has 64 pockets so you can store and cherish your favorite memories. So, let's put the photos inside this photo album. Always remember to remove the battery from your camera after use if you will store it for a longer time to prevent the risk of leakage. So, we're here at the beach to show you exactly how the Instax Mini 12 performs outdoors. The natural light is just right, soft but bright enough. Let's snap a few shots. Now, let's look at the film while it develops. The colors are becoming vibrant and it instantly captures the moment. So if you're someone who loves capturing every moment while traveling, the Instax Mini is an amazing choice. You snap, print, and instantly have a memory to take home with you. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching!